SIDU stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sidus Space is 2.5% down, which is nothing crazy. But last time I made a video, it was actually kind of sick because I was generally looking to potentially take things up. But since it got this break, right? But it never gave me a shift, therefore I abandoned the ticker. And I'm quite curious to see if I have anything SIDU related here. I'm not sure. Yeah, not necessarily. But still, I'm not trying to be this pessimistic guy, but the truth and the reality is that unless I see a full candle close above a price of 2.99 or 3, then I'm not going to be buying or really doing anything. So that's how SIDU is looking like. And if the price does not give me my rules, then I'm not going to look to short sell. Simple. So that's how SIDU looks like. And in the meantime, I'm just waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.